a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
So it's been a couple of days since I have filmed the other clips for the video, because I'm gonna tell you why. I was waiting on something. I was waiting on this. It's a can storage rack. I have all the cans pulled out of my pantry and I want to have something to store them in. This is going on the very bottom and I think it's gonna look fantastic and it's gonna be exactly what I wanted. But y'all hear this, right? Why does it sound like there's so much hardware in there to put this thing together? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get it put together and I'll come back and show you guys. It's supposed to look like this. I looked at so many the day I ordered it, I think it just kind of messed me up to which one I actually purchased. But I actually got this one. It's gonna do the job and it's gonna work out great. So let me put it together. Well, that's nice. They gave me a bag and all the hardware is supposed to be in the bag, but it's all individually just in the box.
Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
Some of them going great, some of them do not. Like this one right here will not lay flush like the rest. So I may have to just take this whole thing off and start over, which I didn't want to because it was going on so nicely. And now I feel like I can't even take it apart. Not really sure why it's not going in, but this one will not go in all the way. I'm gonna see if I can change this little hole out. I know this is a lot more difficult than I expected because now that I've got some of it snapped, some of it won't go back in. And see, that is just not going in there. Okay, let's try another one. Yeah, see, that one went in better. So maybe something's wrong with this hole on the end. I don't know. We'll save that one for last because that's annoying me.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me.
All right, this is it, all built. And it's way bigger than I thought, but I think it's gonna fit perfect in the pantry.
We need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got right. Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder. Watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers.